continuation of this one. So minus x square by y cube dx plus, and here it is, we can split the term, x cube by y power 4 plus y cube by y power 4 dy is equal to 0. So this is minus x square by y cube dx plus x cube by y power 4, and next here it is, this one and this one cancel, and then 1 by y dy is equal to 0. So now which is of the form, so this is which is of the form m1 dx plus n1 dy is equal to 0, where m1 is equal, what about m1 here, minus x square by y cube, and n1 is equal x cube by y power 4 plus 1 by y. Now you can check it whether it is exact or not. So how we are checking that, dou m1 by dou y is equal m1 with respect to ym. So here it is, x is minus x square is a constant, so dou by dou y of 1 by y cube, so minus x square into, so this is how to find the derivative. So take this one into numerator, y power minus 3, so minus x square into, this is minus 3 into y power minus 3 minus 1, so this is 3x square, and by this is y power 4. So dou m1 by dou y is equal to this one, and next dou n1 by dou x is equal. So with respect to x, we are applying partial derivative. So dou by dou x of x cube by y power 4 plus 1 by y. So with respect to x means y is a constant 1. So 1 by y power 4, and x cube derivative is 3x square. And 1 by y derivative is 0. Why? Because with respect to x. So what we got it? 3x square by y power 4. 3x square by y power 4 we got it. And from this, here we got it this one, and here also we got it this. Simply what we can write, dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x. Okay, next we need to find the general solution. The general solution is, the general solution is integral m1 dx, and what we need to choose, y should be treated as constant, and next integral n1 dy, and here we have to choose the terms only from without having x, is equal c. So here what about m1? So m1 is nothing but minus x square by y cube dx plus n1 we have to choose without having x. So here it is, if you observe that without having x, only one term we have, what is that, 1 by y. So 1 by y dy is equal c. Here it is, with respect to x we are applying integration, and y is a constant, minus 1 by y cube integral x square dx plus integral 1 by y dy is equal to c, minus 1 by y cube, and x square integration is nothing but x cube by 3 plus this is nothing but log y is equal to c. So therefore the general solution of the given differential equation is minus x cube by 3y cube plus log y is equal to c. So this is the general solution of the given differential equation. So this is the general solution of what we converted the differential equation, that one, as well as for the given differential equation. Next one, solve y square dx plus x square minus xy minus y square dy is equal to 0. So this is the given differential equation. Now we need to find the solution for this differential equation. So here it is, already it is in the form of mdx plus ndy. So the given differential equation is of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. M dx plus n dy is equal to 0, where m is equal y square and n is equal x square minus xy minus y square. Now you need to check whether it is exact or not. For that, first we are applying m with respect to y. So y square derivative is 2y, and n with respect to x here, x square derivative is 2x, and this is with respect to x means y is a constant one, the derivative of x is 1. So are they equal? No. So my is not equal to nx. So simply what we can write, the given differential equation is non-exact. Now we need to convert as exact. So for that we need to check the homogeneous or not. So here it is, if you observe that the degree is 2, and here also 2, and here also 1 1 1 plus 1 2, and for this also 2. So for that simply we can write the given differential equation is homogeneous differential, is a homogeneous differential equation. The given differential equation is a homogeneous differential equation. Now we need to find integrating factor. So before that, first we can find mx plus ny. So mx plus ny is equal, we need to multiply m with x, so that is xy square, and n with y, so x square minus xy minus y square into y. Now you can simplify this one, xy square plus x square y minus xy square minus y cube. So here it is there any cancellation of terms here? Plus xy square minus xy square both will cancel, and what about remaining? X square y minus y cube. In these two, which one is the common one? Y is the common one. If you take that one as common, what will get? Y into x square minus y square, which is not equal to 0. So this is mx plus my is not equal to 0. Now we can choose integrating factor 1 by mx plus ny is equal to 1 by y into x square minus y square. Now we need to multiply this integrating factor with the given differential equation. So multiplying integrating factor with the given differential equation. So we need to multiply with the given differential equation, and then what will get? Y square into y 1 by that one, that is y into x square minus y square dx plus x square minus xy minus y square by y into x square minus y square dy is equal to 0. So this is, now we need to check whether it is exact or not. Before that you can simplify this one. So here it is, y cancel, y by x square minus y square dx plus, can you split this one as x square minus y square by y into x square minus y square, and minus xy by y into x square minus y square whole dy is equal 0. Here it is, these two cancel, and here it is y both will cancel. Now which is of the form, m1 dx plus n1 dy is equal to 0, where m1 is equal, what about m1? So where m1 is equal to, here it is y by x square minus y square, and n1 is equal, what we have, 1 by y minus x by x square minus y square. This is n1. Now we need to apply partial derivative with respect to y. So dou m1 by dou y is equal dou y of y by x square minus y square. So this is in the form of u by v. We need to apply u by v rule. So vu dash. So x square minus y square into dou by dou y of y is y minus y into the derivative of x square minus y square is minus 2y. Why? Because with respect to y we are applying this is a constant 0, and this is minus 2y by x square minus y square whole square, b square. So now you can simplify this, x square minus y square plus 2y square by x square minus y square whole square. So this is equal, simply what we'll get, x square plus y square by x square minus y square whole square. This is dou m1 by dou y. Next we need to calculate dou n1 by dou x. So this is equal dou by dou x of n1 is nothing but here it is 1 by y minus x by x square minus y square. So here it is, if you see that with respect to x means this is a constant 0, and remaining minus dou by dou x of x by x square minus y square. And now minus of with respect to x we are applying here. So if you observe that in the numerator we have the function x, and denominator also the function is having x. So for that again here you need to apply UV rule. So for that simply you can apply VU dash. So x square minus y square into the derivative of x is 1 minus x into the derivative of x square is 2x, and this is a constant 0 by x square minus y square whole square. And then so this is equal to minus of, we can simplify this one, x square minus y square minus 2x square by x square minus y square whole square. And then here it is, we'll get it as minus of x square minus 2x square is nothing but, from these two terms we can write minus x square minus y square by x square minus y square whole square. So here it is, which is equal, if you multiply minus inside of the terms, we'll get it as x square plus y square by x square minus y square whole square. So this is simply we can write dou n1 by dou x. If you observe that dou m1 by dou y and dou n1 by dou x, we got both are same. Simply we can write dou m1 by dou y is equal dou n1 by dou x. Now we need to find the general solution for this differential equation. So the general solution is integral m1 dx, and we should treat it as y as a constant one, plus integral n1 dy. Only we have to choose the terms without having x terms, free from x terms in n is equal to c. Now integral m1 is nothing but what we have to choose m1 here. Okay, so m1 what we got it, that one we have to take it here. So m1 is here, let us see. So what about m1? Y by x square minus y square, that is m1. So that one we can choose y by x square minus y square dx plus n1 without having x. So here it is n1, this is the n1 without having x means only one term, that is nothing but 1 by y. So 1 by y dy is equal the constant c. And now we have to apply integration. Here it is, we need to take as y as a constant 1, y into integral 1 by x square minus y square dx plus integral 1 by y dy is equal to c. And here it is, we have the integration formula, that is 1 by x square minus a square is equal 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a. Here a is nothing but what? Y. So for that simply what we can write, 1 by 2 into a is nothing but y log not x minus y by x plus y plus integral 1 by y is nothing but log y. Here it is, if you observe that all the terms having log, so for that simply constant also we can choose as log. Then here it is 1 y both will cancel, and simply what we can write, m log a is nothing but log a power m. So x minus y by x plus y plus log y is equal to log c. And now this is in the form of log a plus log b. simply what we can write, log AB, so that is log y into x minus y by x plus y whole square, not whole square, 1 by 2 is equal to log c. So both sides log, so simply what we can write, y into x minus y by x plus y whole power 1 by 2 is equal to c. And then simply what we can write here is, so here it is, you can take this one term x minus y whole power 1 by 2 is equal c into x plus y whole power 1 by 2, squaring on both sides. By squaring on both sides, what we'll get, y square into x minus y is equal c square into x plus y. Here we applied squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides. Then c square is also a constant. If you want, you can replace this one as c or leave like that. So this is the general solution of the given differential equation. Okay.